Now it's time for the next step, which may take a little time, and that's installing all the new cabinet doors. Now, to hang all of the doors, you'll need to do a few little prep things here. First of all, we ordered these doors a couple weeks ago to make sure that they arrived in time, and also Jason spent the last few days painting all of these with an airless sprayer. Now we can put the hardware on and he can get busy really making this kitchen look great. Now the airless sprayer is something a lot of homeowners are intimidated by, but man, it works great. What about it? How did it do for you?
Actually, just a little bit of practice, and I think it turned out pretty good.
What about the cleanup though? You know, you always hear about, the spraying takes just a little time, but the cleanup takes forever. How did that work out?
We use an enamel latex paint and just clean up with water.
That's great. And also the enamel latexes now are so much better than they used to be, so it's really safe to use those for the durability on a set of cabinets like this. Now I can show you how to put the hardware on, which this is so simple because the milling has already been done on the doors that were ordered. And these are European hinges that a lot of people are going with now. This allows you to have a very seamless look on your cabinets without having this overlapping hardware that it had before. And here, all you have to do is push it in place, hit it with a mallet, and you're ready to go. The plastic anchors that are mounted on the hinge screws expand to fill the holes in the door. Talk about easy installation. Now when the hinges are in, we start setting up to hang the door. I like to level and clamp just a small scrap piece of wood just below the opening so that I can rest the door on it as I drive in the screws. Now this will ensure an even margin across the cabinet, and as you add more doors, you can easily just line them up next to each other. Now this job doesn't require a lot of specialized tools, but I would say that a good cordless drill driver, pretty much a must if you want to get this job done quickly. Now with that said, it's an incredibly do-it-yourself friendly job, and Jason picks it up pretty well.